All right, guys, this is what we got today. We got a passenger side mirror. All right, guys, this is what we got. This is the mirror for a Passat, Volkswagen Passat 2015. That one is broken, like you can see, and this is the new one. All right, it's an easy fix. You just have to pop it out from here. You grab it right here, okay, and you pry it out. Okay, right here. Then it has the two heating elements there to heat up the glass. You pop that out, and you can see right here, 1, 2. That's it, garbage. Then you got the new one here. Okay, it has the two tabs right there, you can see, and you put one there, on here, all right, boom, chakalaka, boom. Then you see those grooves here, those tabs right there, they're gonna go in there to match that. Okay, make sure it clicks in there. It should be good to go, okay? That's it. This garbage. That's the new one right there, guys. All right.